Hello everyone again, this is Antonio and I'm coming at you with another exciting video. First of all, I would like to start off by saying this is not financial advice. The purpose of this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. For those that don't know me or don't know anything about this channel, on this channel we speak about stock, cryptocurrency, personal and business credit. Now, on yesterday, I took the liberty of going inside of excuse me, of Spore's Telegram because I really want to know, in my opinion, what's going on with the PR of Spore and when are we going to get the new Spore tokenomics? For me, that's definitely important. Now, Spore mentality is a little different, and we're going to get into some aspects of how their mind works. They look at Spore as a long-term thing. For me, I'm looking at Spore as what's going on. And we're going to read some of these tweets, what's going on with Spore as well. But right now, let me share my screen because I definitely want to talk about some things about Spore that maybe you knew or did not know about. Now, one thing I did learn was Spore is one of the top tokens on the Avalanche network. All right, so right now, the market cap. When I first did a video yesterday, the market cap was 2,011,000,000,000 dollars. Now the market cap is 2,086,000,000,000 dollars. That's a lot. That's a big jump. That's like 75 billion from yesterday. So that means that the market is starting to recover. All right, so let's come over here and let's do a search for Spore. Let's do a search for Spore. And right now, Spore is actually up for today. I'm going to keep doing this video on Spore. I'm bullish, but I still feel, and I'm going to share this video in the Telegram. I still feel that although I'm bullish, I think they need to be keep the people better informed. When I first invested in Spore, the market cap was over $5 million. Now it's less than 4 million. Spore is ranked 1,360 coin. The 1 year low to 1 year high. The 1 year low is zero, of course, and the high was a whole bunch of zeros, and it was 1091. Now is a whole bunch of zeros, 0109. That is a significant drop. Now, Spore is both on the Binance Smart Chain and the Avalanche Smart Chain. So I think that Spore has a significant ways to go. And in this end of this video, I'm gonna tell you a lot of the dialogue because that's my job to report the news for people that's interested in Spore. I'm very interested in Spore. I think that this is a long-term investment, but you gotta tell the people what's going on. You can't keep people guessing, especially when it comes down to money. All right, so for the people that don't know anything about Spore, and with a market cap of less than $4 million, a lot of people don't know about Spore. What is Spore? And this is the third time I'm making a video like this, right? Spore is an NFT platform on the Avalanche network and the developer of hyper-deflationary Spore currency. Our products include the first mass adopted cross-chain bridge from Avalanche to Binance Smart Chain, NFT collections to commemorate special events, a next generation NFT prediction market and development, and several yet to be announced services that will stand on the intersection of blockspace and physical events and help transition the planet to decentralized living. Right now, Spore 90107. The market cap is 3.9 million. Token burn and redistribution rates On every Avalanche transaction, 4.6 is burned, 1.4 is redistributed to holders. On every BSC transaction, 6% is burned. I'm sorry. Frictionless rewards will decrease infinitely as tokens continue to burn. All holders enjoy the ever decreasing circulation supply. Let's see if we got any questions or comments. No questions or comments. Let's keep going. I'm gonna keep banging the drum about Spore. This is one thing that I want to know about, right? So we spoke about, and you look at the roadmap, they launched in March, fair and stealth launch airdrops and incentives. That's a check. BSC token and bridge deployed. Check. NFT charter collection release. Checked. Brand building, 1 quadrillion Spore giveaway, built liquidity via exchange incentive, strategic partnership. Checked. This is where I'm having an issue. Fall, special NFT events, legal entity registration, new strategic partnerships. We do not receive a check there. Future, NFT prediction market, TBA products and services, CEX listing, fiat on-ramp, and governance. This is where we have an issue. We don't have a check for number 5 and number 6. We don't know if they can give us an update on this. And I begged them via Telegram, and I'm gonna tell you some of the information that we discussed. This is not me being a troublemaker. This is me reporting the news, because there are a lot of people that's very interested in Spore, and we're gonna read some of the information where people are upset. So I asked the developers on Spore in Telegram. So let's go to the marketplace. And all of these NFTs that's going to manifest themselves sold out in a day. So I asked them, so these are sold out. You can't even purchase these, right? So I asked them, if these NFTs sold out and you building for the long run, when are we going to receive new NFTs? You can't purchase the NFTs, even if you connect your wallet. Let's connect a wallet. So if you connect, say, for example, your MetaMask or your Wallet Connect, you could not purchase these because they are not available. These are all sold out. Via, this is what the team told me. Let's go and look at some more stuff. Let's look at the gallery. This is the gallery here. And I asked them, when would there be some new NFTs? And their response was, there won't be any new NFTs because they don't want to seem like copycats, or they don't want to seem generic. My thing is, okay, but you got to keep the ball going, right? You already partnered with Polygon back in July. You already did a whole lot of stuff on this platform, but it's time to get the ball rolling. You can't get the ball rolling if it's not enough PR. They try to tell me that's not how it works. They're looking for long-term investors. Well, they won't be any long-term investors if people don't know you exist, or if they don't know what's going on with the company. And this is what I try to explain to them, and they try to tell me I don't understand how it works, but I do understand how PR works, because back in and that's why I put up this article. I know this is old news for a lot of people. That's why I put up this article, because this is called PR, right? Polygon partners with Spore, a hyper-deflationary currency project. That's why I did doing this. I'm not going to read it all, of course, but this is what I'm talking about. Polygon is excited to announce a partnership with Spore project, an Avalanche native hyper-deflationary currency project. Spore has an impressive number of token holders, with over 5,000 wallets on Avalanche and over 125,000 wallets on Binance Smart Chain. So let's see if that number has changed significantly. Let's see. So right now, since July, there are 8,195 Avalanche holders, and on Binance is 136,688 holders. So those are the two wallets, and did things significantly change? 5,000, 8,000, 136,125. Honestly, I'm just going to say it. Those numbers could be better. Those numbers could be a lot better. Spore also focuses around NFT creation, art, and custom bridge between Avalanche and BSC. I just think the numbers can be better. And I'm going to list this in the Spore platform. I'm not doing it to be a troublemaker. I'm doing it to say we can have a lot more people behind this sleeping giant. I think it's a sleeping giant, but if people don't know you exist, they won't invest. The Spore project has an instrumental in leading user education and user adoption of Avalanche and Polygon Exchange. Their team of volunteer admins and core team members have produced a tremendous amount of educational content aimed at helping users get comfortable with DeFi. Finally, Spore Tokenomics model is architected to attract liquidity onto the Avalanche network by having more favorable properties on Avalanche and Binance Smart Chain with the custom built bridge. I think that Spore, the background of Spore is significant. Now, Spore right now has 5 following, 39,000.4 followers. I think the graphics is dope. I even think that the logo is dope. Last time we got a tweet was 5 days ago. We are aware that the D-Bank shows Spore correctly on Avalanche, but not on BSC. The BSC, which is Binance for people that don't know, token has sufficient liquidity according to D-Bank's own rules. We've contacted the D-Bank DeFi team, and we are told they created a task to fix this issue. Now, this went out January 10th, but this is what I want to see. People, these tweets, some of them were concerns, some of them was people are concerned. And I just want to read a couple of tweets. My Spore token on Trust Wallet is gone. I don't know why and what's going on. Guys, what about the future? Will it be bright, long-time holder of Spore in huge loss? And this is what I was trying to tell them. I know y'all volunteer and developers, but people are concerned. I'm making this video not as a troublemaker, but I'm going to upload this in Telegram so you can know that people are concerned. Is there any possibility of sunshine? I don't see any momentum as a holder of big. I think it might be right to ask this, hoping for genuine reply. People are holding big, right? You click here. Did anybody reply? They post tweet like once per month, and this is all. They don't active working and think it start alone grow. This is how people feel. Now, the admins devs are not even caring about the community. Too lazy to approach, no updates at all. Tweeting in a decade to show that they are still on. I lost all my hope and money. The complete market is marching towards promising technologies, and Spore project is still sleeping. I'm making this video. You ain't going to gain anything with Spore if you can't hold and be patient. Of course, it's not financial advice. That's not a way to come back at him, Mr. J. That's not. You got to tell a person what the hell they holding on to, right? That's just my opinion. All right, let's keep going. And I'm gonna end this video soon. Need more news. This January 14th, people are concerned. That's why I'm making this video. Mr. J, Earth will adopt Spore. How you gonna adopt something you don't even understand? I think Spore is a sleeping giant, but people gotta know, right? They gotta know that they're gonna be more NFTs. They gotta know that things are happening. All right, let's go. Right here, lose 250B, just bridging from BSC, the Avalanche, and reflection is too low for getting back this 250B in whole year. The project is going to nowhere compared to other projects. To post one tweet per month and don't activate work on this project, this is reason why they downtrending. That's what I'm trying to tell them yesterday. This is my personal opinion. Maybe the Avalanche network is not as dense as BSC. Indeed, I admit that the BSC network currently has many problems, but I hope the BSC team can solve the problem. Now, right here, Spore calling the Spartans. I look at my video, the thumbnail. I'm calling on a Spore army, but we need a general. You guys need to step up your game. I thought you guys would be better in position by now. When burning killing 2 zeros, New Year price. Spore token market cap is way too low, way too high. They need to burn and gain noise, step up the game. There's no point in holding Spore BSC anyway. When listening big exchange, keep the spirit and work hard for good projects. A shame redistribution doesn't on BSC. Yes, all good in Spore ever going to actually do anything. Burn 50% of the coin. Spore is no progress. Now I just lost my money again. DeFi Bank, good project, dead. And this is what I'm saying. You make a tweet and people go on the defense. So, like I said again, I wanted to make this quick video just to say that Spore can be a sleeping giant. I know that you're telling people to hold on to Spore, hold on long term, but you got to tell the people what they're holding on to. You can't tweet once a month and think that that's going to work. I'm saying this from a business perspective, not from being a troublemaker perspective. This is Antonio with Team Tiggio. Please like, comment, subscribe, as we'll be coming to you with more videos in the future. And once again, we will see you next time.